All right, what's going on, everyone? I'm making a short video today because, as you can obviously see, there's really no need for me to show you anything because we sucked this month really bad. Um, I mean, it's right now at this very point in time, it's the third month of the year, but when February started, it's obviously the second month of the year, and I think in June or January. Let me go to January real quick. January 1st. So January we made 36.53, and then of course in February 36.48. We literally broke even this month. We literally lost everything that we made in January and broke even. We're up like what, $5 overall. So I was definitely, I'm definitely discouraged. And if you see a 60% win rate and a 36% losing rate, that's all false because this is only 60% because there was trades that I took mini trades. I took like 1 point trades, and I think I had that in my last video. But yeah, this month was actually horrible, but I was doing some I was doing some like I was doing some look backing, if that makes sense. I was looking back at my recent videos that I've had on my channel, not recent, my January videos on my channel, and honestly, I just wasn't sticking to my strategy that I when I made that 3600 in January. I think when I went on that little losing streak on the last week of January, it like steered me away from my rules and all that stuff, so I started searching for other things. So for March, we're getting back on our regular strategy, and I tweaked a little couple things. The only thing I tweaked was my stop. So if I get into a trade like in a long or short, and if we are up 2 points, it'll automatically take my full stop and put it a tick above my entry. So either way, I am going to somewhat profit if the trade doesn't go my way because I am taking trades that try to have strength. So if it doesn't blast off after 2 points, we will get stopped out, but still profit in a way. But yeah, just wanted to be upfront with everyone because this is what my channel is all about. I'm trying to be upfront, and this is literally my YouTube channel is literally my journal for trading, and hopefully over the years we can see how far I come. So I'll see everyone tomorrow. It's Monday tomorrow, first day of the month, or first day of the month for trading in March. So let's get it and make it back.